Welcome students. I just wanted to show you a little bit about how to access this module right here called Utah's Government. You'll notice over here to the side it says you have a prerequisite. That means you need to finish these things before doing this one. Once we open this up, you can see we have a few things going on here. Here is our objective, our goal. Students will identify the civic virtues and principles codified by the Utah Constitution. This unit is all about government and how Utah goes from a territory to a state. This first tab here will be the video that I'm making right now and a video of me going over these slides. You should watch both of them to get an understanding about what this module encompasses. Please note that inside the slides, you can get out a separate piece of paper and create your own Cornell notes. I highly encourage it because hint, questions from your slides come back up when you do this quiz. Do not skip the slides. That's going to be really important. The slides look like this, except for it's going to be a PDF version, not my Google Doc or slides version. You can just go through these and look for key information here, vocabulary word, etc. Okay, then you'll have this reading to do. Let's see if I can open it on the right one. Thanks for your patience, guys. There it is. Okay, Utah statehood. So we have a couple of paragraphs here, some highlighted vocabulary words. There are three things to focus on: the executive branch, the judicial branch, and the legislative branch. To do your test for this unit, you'll need to know the differences between these three branches, so study those and make sure that you can sort the differences between what they can do. Another big part of this standard is going to be to talk about rights and responsibilities as citizens. You are someone who is currently living in Utah. That means you are a citizen in Utah. So you have rights and responsibilities. Study this chart because hint, that might come back up on your test. Okay, let's go back over to Canvas here. What are the three branches of government? That's going to open up a PDF. And if you click in there, you'll see that you can open a PDF. Our big picture question: what is each group responsible for? Let's open that up and look at it together. So here we have the three branches of government. This was given to us from something called the Constitution. It provided a separation of powers. Again, here are those three branches that I told you would come back and be very important for this module: legislative, executive, and judicial. Congress, President, and Supreme Court, those are the people that are in charge of those three branches. You can study that graphic because it might come back up on your test. Okay, moving on, back to our module here. Okay, so you will have an assignment where you can upload a file. This again should be done after you complete the reading, the slides. Then you can go through and do this. Make sure you're writing in complete sentences for full credit. You can even use examples from the reading in your responses. To extend your learning, you can answer the extension essay to increase your score on this assignment. Okay, finally, you're going to have a quiz about Utah's government. The quiz should be done after everything else. It has two parts. There is a matching question and an essay question, and you guessed it, you should respond to your essay using RACE because you are smart, capable 7th graders. You are almost actually done with your 7th grade year. You're in your final quarter, so I absolutely should see full sentences and the RACE strategy in your essays. I know you can all be very successful. I'm excited about those of you who are participating. Please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help. The last thing I'll show you before I go is that if you want to do this extension, it's a game that will take you to a website called iCivics, and it kind of looks like this. Branches of power. You can pick leaders for each branch of government, create an agenda, introduce bills and pass laws, apply judicial review. All of those things are just going to kind of cement your learning. But that is not going on your grade. That's just if you want to extend your learning. Okay, good luck. Reach out if you have questions, and we'll see you later.